What's going on, guys? So coming out here today, we're gonna be going out to Lock City Drifts Grassroots Day. So I'm not gonna be driving, unfortunately. I mean, just with school and everything, I don't have enough time right now to have the car prepped and all that jazz. So but Jesse's driving, so I'm gonna be getting a ton of footage of Jesse. I'm going to be filming Jesse most of the time, just the fact that I know he loves to watch videos of just to like help him learn more. So on exactly like how his hand placement is on the wheel, when to initiate, when not. He really is intuitive and really likes to learn every time he drives. So that's what I'm going to be doing. We got the swivel mount here, so Troy Puccini always hooking us up and crap, and I mean, the swivel mount's going to get some pretty awesome footage today, since I know how to actually adjust it now and properly and how it should actually work. So, but besides that, yeah, I mean, it's going to be a good day. So let's get to it.
Broke nigga, get your shit right. Before a nigga slide up in your bitch like.
All right, guys, so all the drivers just had tech and drivers meeting. Zach's out here.
I passed.
Yeah, he passed, yeah. Jesse, by the way, did not pass, but we just had like a little inner tie rod issue, but he already had an extra one. We swapped it out, bang, bang, so he's ready to go. But yeah, this dude passed. So I was just talking with him. Dude, he's been driving so much. I am pretty sure he's driven, oh, hands down, yeah. He's definitely driven more than me this year than I have. He's got, how many events you got down? You got at least like...
This is number 7. And I'm
7.
driving next weekend with Nedco, so that'll be 8.
8, yeah, and you've done 2 days.
And I've done 2 days, yeah.
So yeah, so that's, he's at like 12 events, which is freaking crazy. That's dope. This thing is just pushing, bro.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
It takes it.
Heck yeah, but
besides for that one radiator problem.
yeah, exactly. But I mean, it is what it is. So, but yeah, no, honestly, we're gonna be getting some in-car footage with him. I'll get some out-of-car footage for him because I know him and Liddy love watching his crap. So
hell yeah.
We'll be getting him some footage. We'll be getting some ride-alongs and crap. But yeah, yes, who's up right now? C. There's 2 C's and then 1 B. Yeah, okay. So there's 2 C groups that they're running, and then they're running 1 B group, and then A group is on the actual road course. And they actually said that B group, the last like 45 minutes of the day, they're gonna open the club circuit for B group. So hopefully Jesse can get out there. Hopefully Jesse can get out there, and hopefully Zach can get out there. Because then if that's legitimate, then that's gonna be high speed. Dude, that's gonna be high speed, high speed stuff. So I can't wait. That'd be freaking sick. So we're gonna go up, get some footage, some C guys driving right now, and yeah, just have some fun. We got a little courtesy vehicle here.
Absolutely.
What's your name, boss?
I'm Roy.
Roy, all right. Roy's giving us a little ride. This is legit. This is luxury. Heck yeah. Jump on. Do it.
Picking up one more.
Uno mas. Heck yeah, dude. This is legit. Dang. Dude, we need to invest in one of these.
Yeah, we do.
Especially like
Need a pit
Netco
bike.
when you're like camping out and stuff. Crazy.
Pit bike would be key.
Heck yeah. So C group is done. So their run groups have ran through their time. So now Jesse's up. So like I said, I'm gonna be just trying to get him footage for him for learning purposes, whatever. We have the GoPro and the swivel mount up top, and I have the in-car footage here. We'll get some out-car footage, and yeah. So he's about to rip it. Oh yeah, yo, you fucking smoked those tires though.
Yeah, I smashed that one in the back. wreck now, bull.
Zach's out here.
Yeah, boy.
Ready to freaking rip, boy.